Hello everyone, it's me, Aria Vicky, and today I'm making a video about my first budget PC build. So I actually had my PC built on the 3rd of January, and I ordered all the parts myself. I did a lot of research on it, even though I obviously needed help, and I'm very, very happy and excited to show you guys it. So yeah, continue watching. What do we call this process? Opening the case, wow. It's pretty. It took over 6 months to complete this build. I started in July looking for parts, and I finally finished building it January the 3rd, as I mentioned earlier. I went and I purchased part by part because I didn't want to overwhelm myself and my pockets. And overall, I think it was a better experience than just going straight in. You know what it has? Guess it. Guess it.
Talking to me?
Yeah.
RGB.
Uh-huh.
RGB.
That's what we like.
That's what we like, yo.
The first part that I purchased was actually my RAM sticks, which are the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 16GB. And then I bought a Western Digital Black 1TB hard drive. I had the Cooler Master case, but it actually didn't fit with our motherboard, so I just decided to get the Fantech something 500A. I have the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X 12 core, and my power supply is gold certified with 850 watts. After I purchased that, I got the MSI Mag X570 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard. And then I got the Samsung 970 EVO Plus SSD. For Christmas, I got the ID Cooling PinkFlow 360mm AIO cooler, and I got the GTX 1650 for my GPU. The last thing that I bought was actually the Barracuda 2TB internal hard drive, and then my monitor is the Asus TUF Gaming 27-inch. Then I have the ID Cooling Pink fan case, but we don't use it, so yeah.
You think you better than me? You think you better than me? Do you think you better than me?
Yes.
Get out.
You're in my house.
Get out. Leave. That's when you should have been recording.
I am recording.
Order. That dog need Jesus. You heard me? You heard me? Ayo, V. All right, Vicky. I said your name. That was the joke. I used your name on social media.
It wasn't really funny.
Then my mom called me black.
Purchasing everything at my own pace actually made it a lot more easier than just getting a pre-built PC. And this is because I can allocate my money to a specific part. Like, let's say I didn't make as much money during 1 month. I would buy a cheaper part versus a more expensive part. If you're planning on building a PC, I definitely suggest going this route, just going slow by part, if you know someone who knows how to build PCs. Almost every single part of mine was also on sale simply because I took my time to purchase the products. I had the time to look around, compare prices, and not rush. The only two things that I spent full price on was the motherboard and my GPU. Literally everything else I got discounted. Some of them were even more than 50% off.
What I just hit.
You just hit another cable.
That sounded like glass.
Right?
That sounds like glass, bro. You sure I'm hitting cables?
No, it's not cables. It's this.
Alright, let's set the TV up real quick or monitor real quick so we can.
You want me to help you? This corner? It's a nice big boy.
All three of them working. They were all on.
Are they?
Yeah.
Wow!
I got it though.
Oh my god, it looks so pretty! Ooh, that was nice.
One more.
And this is Brian. She cute. She's a very nice computer. You can talk about it because I don't know it.
She wasn't easy to put together. I did put computers together in high school, but I didn't do it a whole lot. So hers, I built mine, I built hers, but I don't have RGB on mine because I bought the wrong case.
That sucks.
She had RGB, and I'm telling you, I struggled. I couldn't figure out how to put them together. That joke was too hard for me.
Yeah.
So the reason in the video, she's recording me putting together, and then it just stops, is because I got frustrated. I was getting frustrated, and I was struggling on putting it together, and then I figured it out, and at that point, she forgot to record. She didn't remember, so.
Overall, get the way I'm done. It was really good because we didn't
Why are you
have
standing
to.
next to me? I feel short.
Then stand up. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Because our computer build was over 1,000, so
It was probably like 1,500.
Yeah, it's around the 1,500 range.
She can put up the price, like whatever she paid for it. Like,
I'm gonna put every single part
put it
individually.
on the screen, like right. Boom.
No, that's not where it's gonna go.
Why?
Because I wanted a separate.
That's
space.
a good spot.
No.
Boom, right there.
First of all, your finger's way too high. You
Boom.
be hitting the thingy right
Boom.
there. Okay. The price is gonna be right here.
No.
It's gonna be up here.
Okay, now I kind of want to hear.
Anyways, the price is gonna be wherever he wants it to be at.
I'm about to be getting it too. I'm about to start streaming and all of that. About to do a
Yeah, we're gonna be streaming.
selfish plug.
We'll go say your name out. I'll put it up here.
Oh, I don't remember it.
His name's ABZ.
ABZ.
Okay. Bye bye.
I'll see y'all.